Within our Masters of Clinical Mental Health Counseling, we now have the opportunity to offer a concentration in equine-assisted psychotherapy. So we really utilize the EGALA model, so Equine-Assisted Growth and Learning Association. It's a ground-based model and very client-centered. So we believe that the clients already have their solutions. We're just facilitating a space for them to find those solutions. So they're not riding horses within this work. Everything is on the ground. The horses get to be horses. And it really allows the clients to see a story play out in front of them and then attach what they need to that so that they get what they need from that session. And then within the EGALA model, it is a team approach. So it does really give students a different look at therapy and what that might mean, because you are having a full team. So it's your mental health specialist, your equine specialist, and the horse or horses, depending on how many are in the arena. So everybody works together towards the same goal, which creates a nice community.
One of the things that we love about it is it tends to work really well with people that don't respond to traditional therapy. So for people that it's difficult to sit in an office and engage, often, the work with horses helps them open up in a different way. Seeing it in action, it's hard to not be a believer in it. And something we focus on in therapy a lot is creating insight. And then what does it take to get from insight to actually change, right? And I think that's accelerated in this work with horses because the learning is experiential. And so it's a really easy step for somebody to experience this modality and then translate that, we call it transfer of learning, into real life. And so, I'm building this story in the arena with horses that connects with and overlaps with what's happening in my outside life. And so I think it's easier for people to then use that to create change. If you're passionate about helping others and connecting through the power of horses, the Equine Assisted Therapy program at Emory & Henry is your next step. Apply today.